You missed it, dumbass. Ah, you missed it. Taser. Taser, what am I doing?
Oh my God.
On August the 7th, 2024, at approximately 1:55 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched on a call about an intoxicated man with a firearm.
Did he threaten anybody with the gun?
Did he point it at anybody? A minute ago, walking
No shot, no nothing.
No, did he point it or anything, or did he make any threats?
He talked shit with me. I said, please go, move. He take the Red Bull and sit over there 2 minutes.
Did he buy the Red Bull?
Yeah, he buy. He will pay money.
Okay. Did he make any threats? Did he say he was going to do anything with the gun?
No, he showed me like, talking shit and drunk, crazy. So he walking right now.
Okay.
White shirt and black pant.
So you guys were having an argument and he kind of just showed you that he had a gun?
No show, but he wanted to try to talking shit. I said, please move.
Okay.
I know talking too much. I said, please move. So he sit outside.
All right.
Hey, boss man, hold up. Hey! Stop! Don't reach! Hands up, man! Hands up! Hands up! Hands on your head. Hands on your head. Do not reach for anything.
Talking to the workers, there's no crime. He was inside buying something. He had a gun on him.
You're being
No threats from me.
Hey! Just walking back to you. Turn around. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Can you listen? Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Hands in the air. Walk backwards.
What I do, I was just walking.
Walk backwards.
I'm on the sidewalk walking.
Walk backwards.
What I do?
Walk.
What
Walk.
I do?
Walk backwards.
What did I do?
Walk backwards.
Should I pull my phone out?
No.
Walk backwards now.
What did I do?
Walk backwards and listen.
I'm walking. What the fuck am I
Listen
doing?
and walk backwards, man.
I'm walking. What the fuck am I doing? Y'all harassing me.
Walk backwards.
Y'all harassing me.
You're not. Walk backwards. You can't keep going here with me, man. Walk backwards now.
What the fuck you mean you can't keep coming on here?
Walk backwards now. Now.
There you go. There you go.
Walk backwards to the side of my voice now, man. Walk. Stop. Don't do it.
Hey,
I'm telling you, man, do not do it.
I can tase.
The gun is on his right side.
Okay.
Don't do it. Walk backwards, man. Walk backwards.
I will tase you. Get on the ground right now. I will tase you.
102, just keep the air held. We're fine right now.
Do you understand? Get down on the ground right now. Get on the ground. Taser, taser, taser.
Don't reach,
Taser failed. 9102, taser deployed, ineffective.
Walk backwards, man. Hey, watch my back. We're going to pull up a little bit so you get a better shot on that taser.
All right.
Keep coming.
We'll cover you.
Keep coming. Keep coming, man. Yes, you are. You're going to keep coming.
Damn it.
It's on his right side. I saw him.
All right. Keep your hands up where we can see him.
Right there. Right there.
Yep. Screen it. Yeah, taser.
Taser, taser, taser!
Fire on his back.
I can't get it with the long distance. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground now. Follow our commands. All right. Gun's on his right there. It's on his right side.
Keep your hands up.
Keep your hands up where we can see him. Get on the ground now. He's going down. Hands out to your side, all the way down on your face. All the way on your face, keep your hands out.
I'm just setting this in your side door.
Hands on top of your head right now.
On top of your head.
On top of your head.
No fucking move. You're moving.
I
Do not
got my
move.
guns holstered for hands on.
Go ahead.
Ready? Let me know when you have the 33.
No, shoot with your bitch ass.
Hold on.
192, we're trying to take some custody right now.
Which way? Which way? Well, we don't want to bring it to you back by the gun. We were trying to get it first.
Just cuff that.
You'll pull
There
my
you
dick
go.
out.
Hey, they too tight. Loosen them up.
Where's Rogan? Yeah, you want to do it? Yep.
Sir, just wait 1 second, okay?
Not even a time to shut down. Just one to me.
Rolling this way.
Hey, my dick out. It's my dick, man.
It's all right. It's not going anywhere.
Yes, we will.
Meet areas done. Put this on. I ain't have nothing on me.
Y'all love to do a doggy paddle. I need my phone. It's gonna be in my property?
Yeah.
Motherfucking Taser weak as fuck. Yep. Gotta be, huh? Cause that shit wasn't doing shit. Cheap ass niggas. Shit, yeah, I hear you. How much they paid? Shit, not for real. Not for real. My people own their own businesses. Construction and finishing, landscaping.
Come over here.
Bitch ass niggas.
Can we film in here for right now?
What y'all find out? Y'all take, can you pull the Taser out?
We will in a second.
Pull it out.
We have a medic that comes and does it. We can't pull it out for you.
Alright, I'm not trying to sit in here until the
You are
medic
going to sit in here. Sit down.
I'm sitting like this.
Please. Hey,
I'm not
Tamika.
going nowhere. I'm sitting like this. That shit right
Sit
here.
back.
That shit right
Sit back.
here.
Sit back. He's in.
The thing is, I don't know. I wasn't here when she first came in, but when we got here, he's clearly drunk. He's slurring his words. So, yeah. So at the point where he's drunk, walking around with a gun, I mean, you have the detention. When you do